The impact of chatbots and virtual assistants in medical education and clinical decision making. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The integration of chatbots and virtual assistants in medical education and clinical decision making has revolutionized the healthcare landscape. These AI-driven tools enhance learning experiences by providing interactive, personalized education to medical students and professionals. In clinical settings, they support decision-making by offering real-time, evidence-based recommendations, reducing diagnostic errors, and improving workflow efficiency. This review explores the applications, benefits, and challenges of chatbots and virtual assistants in medical education and clinical decision-making. It also examines their potential to bridge knowledge gaps, improve patient outcomes, and augment healthcare delivery. While these technologies offer significant advantages, concerns related to data security, accuracy, and ethical implications must be addressed for their optimal implementation. The rapid growth of artificial intelligence (AI) is changing the face of healthcare, particularly in how medical students learn and how doctors make decisions. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are now being used to support medical training and help healthcare professionals in clinical practice. These tools provide instant access to a wide range of medical knowledge, simulate real-life patient scenarios, and offer tailored feedback to students. This helps future doctors learn more effectively and at their own pace, strengthening their diagnostic skills and boosting their confidence. In hospitals and clinics, AI tools are used to support doctors by analyzing complex patient information, suggesting tests or treatments, and helping to reduce mistakes. These smart systems can quickly review data like medical records and lab results to offer advice that aligns with current guidelines. They are especially useful in fields like heart disease, cancer, and radiology, where accurate and timely decisions are critical. Additionally, chatbots can handle routine tasks such as scheduling appointments and managing paperwork, giving doctors more time to focus on patient care. However, there are challenges that come with using AI in healthcare. One major concern is the accuracy of the information these systems provide. If an AI tool makes a mistake, it could have serious consequences for patients. Protecting patient privacy and data is another big issue, especially when these tools handle sensitive health records. There's also a risk that AI systems could unintentionally favor certain groups over others if they are trained on biased data. Overall, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants offer exciting possibilities for improving medical education and patient care. With proper oversight, ethical guidelines, and ongoing improvements, these technologies could become essential tools in the future of healthcare. The integration of chatbots and virtual assistants in medical education and clinical decision-making represents a transformative shift in healthcare. These AI-powered tools offer numerous benefits, including enhanced medical training, improved diagnostic accuracy, and optimized patient management. However, challenges related to data security, bias, and ethical considerations must be addressed to ensure their safe and effective deployment. Moving forward, the development of transparent, regulatory compliant, and ethically sound AI systems will be crucial in harnessing the full potential of AI in medicine. By fostering collaboration between AI and healthcare professionals, chatbots and virtual assistants can serve as powerful enablers of medical education and clinical excellence. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.